And we're back to our live volleyball action here at Apong Volleyball All Cagayano Conference. This is a match between Alcala and Claveria. I'm still with Kuya Daniel here. He will be your commentator this afternoon for the men's match. And I'll be back soon ulit dito sa ating live coverage. Again, the live coverage is brought to you by Smarter Multimedia Services, your #1 live stream provider in the region. And the Apong Volleyball All Cagayano Conference is brought to you by the local government unit of Alcala, headed by Attorney Tin Antonio, and the local government unit of Pamplona, headed by Mayor Digna Puzon Antonio. Of course, we would like to thank the founder of Apong League, former Governor Alvaro Bong Antonio, and the director of the Apong Volleyball All Cagayano Conference, Ma'am Dadang Antonio. Maraming salamat po sa pagpapahalaga sa mga atletang Cagayano. Kuya Daniel?
And now, we are watching the match number 62 of the Apong Volleyball, the All Cagayano Conference, still on the women's division. This is to be played between Team Claveria versus the hosting team, Team Alcala. And first to serve, and this first set is jersey number 1, Salvador of Team Claveria. Nice reception there by Ligad. Team Bas with that cross-court hit. And the Tabali is dug up by the libero. And a chance ball now for Team Claveria, setting up to the Tabali. Again dug up. And that down the line hit. Again, same spot. Nakabantay pa rin ang libero. And then overset there by Agarpao. Now the first point will be given to Team Alcala. 1-0 is our score.
Great defense there shown by the libero of Team Alcala during that first rally of the set.
Not enough push there by Galapia. And a net block will be called for Team Claveria. 2-0 is our score. Rendon with that service error. Napakaaga pa for that service error for Rendon. And now Agarpao will serve for Team Claveria. An underhand serve.
Easy underhand serve, but shaky reception coming from Team Alcala there.
The Tabali off the block point. And that will be the first point for the Tabali. A miscommunication there between Galano and Molina, the libero of Team Claveria. We are now tied at 3. Ayan, utak daw ang gamitin, sabi ng team captain for today's game, De Tabali, with that drop ball shot. Now Ligad for that down the line hit. And that ball sails out, giving a point to Team Claveria. And now they are up by 2. 5-3 is our score.
Great back set there coming from the setter of Team Alcala. Isa na lamang po ang kalamangan ng Claveria. Miscommunication there coming from Team Claveria. And now we're tied at 5. Jersey number 22 of Alcala still on the service line.
A nice reception coming from the libero. And the Tabali is dug up. Open. A drop ball is good for jersey number 10, Agamanos of Team Claveria. The Tabali now is on deck to serve. A service error is committed by the Tabali. And a point for Team Alcala. Nice pick up there by jersey number 19, Ligad, with that top spin. Ancheta opening up to Ligad. Easily dug up by the Tabali sa gitna. Agamanos. Now chance ball for Team Claveria. Open to Salvador. Ligad will try. And a point for that hit by Ligad. Only one blocker for Ligad. And she makes sure that he will kill that ball. Ligad again through the hands of the Tabali. Additional point for Team Alcala. Now our score is 8-6. Alcala is up by 2. Salvador. Nice coverage there by Ancheta. Chance ball for Team Alcala. Set to Ligad. Dug up by the Tabali. Again to Ligad with that swipe. And a point for Team Alcala. Sonido is on the deck to serve. And now Team Claveria calls for a timeout.
Great adjustment there coming from Team Alcala after silang malamangan ng Team Claveria. And factor din siguro na nasa likod na ang team captain ng Claveria ngayon. And she's doing the defense for the team. Molina, however, on the back line for Team Claveria is doing a good job for the defense of their team. However, the power of the offense and the attacks of Team Alcala has been also very efficient. Kaya sunod-sunod yung naipuntos at nalamangan na nga nila sa first set na to ang Team Claveria. Now we're back to the live ball game.
Yan, Team Alcala now is up by 4. And still on deck to serve, we have jersey number 19, Sonido of Team Alcala. And a lucky timeout for Team Claveria because of that service error for Team Alcala. An underhand serve is no good for Galano. Diretso sa net. Ligad with that jump serve. Now a chance ball for Team Alcala. A push there. Sa gitna, Agamanos. Drop ball. Team Bas with that top spin attack. Agamanos. Ancheta to jersey number 3. Sa gitna, Rendon. Salvador will try that down the line hit, but that ball sails out for Team Claveria. Our score now is 12, serving 7. And on the deck to serve, we have jersey number 10, Agamanos, the middle attacker for Team Claveria. Chance ball for Team Claveria, 1-2 play. Easily dug up there. Galapia, pumalo. Nice dig by Ligad. Salvador. Targeting the hands of Ligad. The poor received there by Ligad. A point for Team Claveria. 9-12 is our score. Easily received by the libero. And that is jersey number 3, Sales of Team Alcala with that powerful hit. And now this is our first technical timeout of the match.
Ayan, sa mga kararating lang sa ating live, you're watching the game between Alcala and Claveria. This is the last match for the day for the women's division. Up next is the battle between Solana and Pamplona for the men's division. After Alcala caught up with the gameplay of Team Claveria, nalamangan na po nila nga ng 4 na puntos ng Team Claveria. Now let's see if how Team Claveria will adjust to the attacks and defense of Team Alcala. We're just starting the match. This is the first set of the match between Claveria and Alcala, and now we're back to the live volleyball action.
Ayan, we are back to the ball game now, and Ancheta committed a service error right after that technical timeout. Salvador now will serve for Team Claveria. Team Bas with that poor reception. Rendon. Rendon will try again, but it is blocked by Galapia. Salvador. Nice pick up there. And the down the line hit is good for the Tabali. Happy watching po kay Kim Alonzo of Pamplona. Again, same target for the Tabali for that down the line hit. And now, Alcala is up by 1. And it's an ace for Salvador. And now we are tied at 13.
And with that errors committed by Alcala, lamang na po ngayon ng isa ang Claveria.
And Galapia will give justice with that regalo for their team. And now Team Claveria is up by 2. 15-13 is our score.
It's an exciting match to end the elimination for this tier with Team Alcala and Claveria. Both teams are at par with their skills and their talents in playing volleyball. Let's see who will emerge as victorious in this afternoon's match. Lamang po ng dalawa ang Claveria, and you're still watching the first set of the match between Alcala and Claveria. And with that, we'll go back to the live volleyball action.
And is still serving. We have jersey number 1, Salvador of Team Claveria. 1 to play. Is good for Ancheta. Anticipating that the defense of the Tabali is not there. And a point for Team Alcala. Rendon now to serve. Nice float serve, but easily picked up by the libero. That is a net block for the Tabali. Now we are tied at 15. Rendon is still serving for Team Alcala. And Paco ang setter to get that second ball. And a point now for Team Alcala. They are up by 1. Bumalik sa kanila ang kalamangan. A chance ball for Team Alcala. Sa gitna, Sonido with that swipe. Set to the Tabali. A chance ball for Team Alcala. Back set. Again, another chance ball for Team Alcala. Sales with the help of the net. And Rendon is still dominating on the service line for Team Alcala.
Great save there coming from the team captain of Team Claveria.
A variation of attack is coming from the Tabali. Up by Alcala. But Sales committed an attack error with that spike. Ancheta for Sonido. Hiningi na naman po ni De Tabali and easily dug up by Ligad. That opposite attack will go outside and it hits the antenna. An underhand serve there by Agarpao. Nice kick save by Ligad. And the ball is still on play. Chance ball for Team Claveria. Set to Detabali. 1-2 play. Nice pick up there by Ancheta. And Sales is blocked on that push. And our score now is 19-17. Claveria is up by 2. Sonido, ducked up by Galano. And then Bas to set it to the middle. Easily dug up by Salvador. Detabali will try. And
Detabali, the team captain of Claveria, has become lethal for Team Alcala here while she is in front. Tingnan natin kung paano mag-a-adjust ang Team Alcala.
Ancheta setting up to Pagaduan. Picked up by De Libero on that cross-court hit. And pinadaan sa kamay ni Galano for that free ball by Ancheta. And a point for Team Alcala. 18-20 is our score.
Nice match here between Alcala and Claveria, and with that service error, Alcala will have another point, giving them a 3-point lead on this set of the match. Galapia now on the service line, 21 serving 18.
And hello, shout out po kay Hilton the Seal as a part of the Carmela Nation. Ayan, hello pa, shout out din po kay Jimel de la Cruz, sabi po ni Kimberly Marie. Ayan, keep on watching guys. This is the Apong Volleyball. And now played by Team Claveria and Team Alcala.
Dumulas yung bola sa mga daliri niya. Claveria is now up with 1 point, and that service error will make that 2. Team captain of Claveria now on the service line, 22 serving 20.
Agamanos is blocked by Sonido. Open to Salvador. And Salvador crosses that line. And a point for Team Alcala. And Sonido now is on deck to serve. A poor reception by the captain, Tabali. And now we are tied at 22. Still serving is Sonido of Team Alcala. 1-2 play. And a point for Agamanos. Targeting the center of Team Alcala. Very crucial and forced error happened to Team Claveria. Chance ball now for Team Alcala to Pagaduan with that top spin. Binigay lang ni Agamanos there, and a poor received by the Tabali with that down the line hit of Pagaduan. And now Team Alcala is on set point, 24-23.
first deuce of the day. And it's a match between Claveria and Alcala. Set point for Team Alcala.
And on deck to serve is Ancheta, the setter of Team Alcala. Open to Galapia. A joust on the net. Won by Timbas. And the first set will go to Team Alcala.
A great set for this match between Claveria and Alcala. Let's see kung babawiin ng Alcala or ng Claveria ang second set or itutuloy na ng Alcala.
And hello po. Good afternoon sa ating mga live viewers, mga kaapong. And please do share our Facebook Live para naman po mapanood ng ating mga kababayan kahit saan man silang lugar. And hello, special shout out po kay Christian Antonio Perlas. Ayan, CZ, ikaw na po ang susunod here. The ever gorgeous player of Team Alcala. We have Christian Perlas.
Up next po, or the men's division, matches under the men's division. First game will be Solana versus Pamplona. We are already seeing players from both teams inside the gymnasium. Sa mga wala pong gagawin sa bahay nila, please do join us here sa Alcala Municipal Gymnasium. Sa mga busy naman pong magkatay ng handa for medianoche tomorrow or nagluluto na ng mga salad ninyo, baka naman po pwedeng magpadala dito ng sample habang pinapanood nyo po yung live namin. Please do follow our Facebook pages, Smarter Multimedia Services, Smarter Studios, and Apong League para po updated kayo sa mga game schedules and sa mga live volleyball actions po natin. Today is the last day of the games for 2023, but we will be back sa 2024 with more exciting volleyball actions. Dito lamang yan sa Apong Volleyball All Cagayano Conference. You're still watching the game between Claveria and Alcala. And we're back to our live volleyball action. Dito lamang po yan sa Apong Volleyball All Cagayano Conference. We are about to start the second set of the match between Alcala and Claveria, where Alcala emerged victorious during the first set with a 26-24 score. The first deuce of the day, let's see kung mababawi ba ng Claveria ang set 2 or ididiretso na ng Alcala ang panalo to get this match. Up next po is the match between Solana and Pamplona.
Ayan, hello po. Happy watching, Eunice Malabo. All the way from Pamplona. And now, this is set number 2 of this match between Team Alcala versus Claveria. And to serve for this number 2, we have jersey number 1, Ancheta of Team Alcala. And she found the line sa zone 1. And the first point will go to Team Alcala. 1-0 is our score. Chance ball for Team Alcala. Nice pick up by the libero. Ligad. With that off the block hit. Using the hands of Galapia. A point for Team Alcala. Now we have
Hi po kay Ma'am Criselda Dadang Antonio. She's watching us right now. Hello po, ma'am. It's always a pleasure to be here in Alcala.
Ayan si Ma'am Dadang, always watching the games of Alcala Women's Volleyball. The very supportive
Yeah, super
director
supportive
of this
niyan.
league.
Lalong-lalo na sa mga atletang Cagayano.
Yes. And now the first point for Team Claveria. 1-2 is our score. Tabali will give that free ball to Team Alcala. Ligad. Nasobrahan sa palo. And a point for Team Claveria. Salvador is on. What a heavy serve. A Salvador.
Shaky reception there, but good recovery from Team Alcala. Team captain of Claveria tried to get a point with a quick attack, however, hindi nakalusot yung bola.
And Rendon now is on deck to serve for Team Alcala. Nice serve there, targeting the hands of the team captain. Now an easy point for Team Alcala.
A faulty underhand, the reception there from the team captain. Alcala is up by 1 point. Chance ball for Team Alcala.
Claveria in the middle, Sonido. And a chance ball will be given to Team Alcala. Jow the net. And hindi na po naabutan ni Ligad ang set na iyon. Now we are tied at 4.
Communication there coming from Claveria, giving chance ball to Team Alcala. Great recovery. And a net touch violation coming from the attack of Team Alcala.
And that underhand serve by
Parang may
Agarpao.
sumpa yung underhand serve.
Yes, but sometimes yung underhand serve na yun ni Agarpao ay medyo deadly.
Yes.
Minsan kapag napupunta sa backline.
At alam niyo kung saan niya dadalhin yung mga service niya.
And a substitution for Team Alcala. Ganaban will go in for Ligad. Yes, nice pancake po yun by Hansley. Sabi po ni RB Pedronan Brillantes. Yan, pati pala sa live nakikita yung mga pancake saves. And dahil ganun po kaganda ang live coverage ng SMS, the Smart Multimedia Services. Ayan, Pagaduan with that back row attack. And hindi na itawid ni Agarpao ang second ball for Team Claveria. And that is inside for Ganaban.
Easy point for Team Alcala because of the misjudgment of the libero of Team Claveria.
Lucky point for Team Claveria. (9-6) is our score. A miscommunication there by the setter, setting it up for no one for Team Alcala. Now Galapia is on deck to serve. Naibalik sa Claveria, a chance ball for them. Pagaduan with that hit, easily dug up by Salvador. And Detabali on that down the line hit. There's a check there. Pagaduan easily picked up. And now Pagaduan will try again with a push. Set to Agamanos. Too much power on that hit. And a point for Team Alcala.
Tatlo na lamang po ang kalamangan ng Team Claveria. Nice save there coming from the libero of Team Claveria.
And malaking tulong si Ganaban for Team Alcala for the defense at the back. Magagandang reception ang nanggagaling kay Ganaban for Team Alcala. And a stumble there for Team Claveria. And I think they are okay. Now they are going back to the court.
Nice try to save the ball there. You see the effort. They really put heart on the game. Nanghihinayang sila sa puntos. Chance ball for Team Alcala. Check ball.
And now we are tied at 10. Team Claveria calls for a timeout.
Great timing for Team Claveria to call a timeout kasi nahabol sila ng Team Alcala with the lead kanina. Ang lead ng Team Claveria kanina is 4 points, and like during the first set, nahabol na naman ng Team Claveria, ng Team Alcala ang puntos ng Team Claveria. Ngayon, we'll see after the timeout if Alcala will continue to gain points or will Team Claveria will move forward with another point. This is a good match between Alcala and Claveria. And please do stay with us. Marami pa po tayong laro ngayong araw. And mawawala man po tayo ng December 31. Babalik naman po tayo agad sa 2024 with greater volleyball actions from these great Cagayano athletes. You're still watching Apong Volleyball All Cagayano Conference. Please continue sharing our live video and please continue sending your love and your support to your favorite teams and your favorite players. Napapan yung camera dito sa amin habang nililipad yung mga buhok namin. Ayan, nagbabalik po tayo sa ating live volleyball action. This is the match between Claveria and Alcala. Second set of the match, where Alcala won over Claveria during the first set.
And this is the last match for the women's division. Our next game is for the men's division to be played between Team Solana versus Pamplona. And what a point there coming from the team captain, De Tabali.
Ang bilis ng adjustment ng kamay niya.
Yes, and now she is on the service line. 11 serving 10. Pero binawi agad nung service error na yon. And a point for Team Alcala. Sonido to serve.
Great reception from the libero of Team Claveria.
Rendon sa gitna. And that ball will go straight to the net. Ayan, hello to Jonaline Castillo. Go Alcala, support lang kami. And you can also watch the live action here at Teresita I. Antonio Gymnasium. Only here in Alcala, Cagayan. And to serve is Galano with that underhand serve. Pagaduan on that opposite attack. Ancheta to Pagaduan with the help of the net. What a lucky point for Team Alcala. And again, we are tied at 12. And this is now our first, or the second technical timeout, I should say, for this match.
This is a
13,
close
12.
match between Claveria and Alcala. Their skills and talents are at par. Naghahabulan lamang sila ng score. Pero tingnan natin kung sino yung mag-emerge na victorious sa kanila sa match na to. The team captain of Claveria when in front line is a deadly threat to Alcala. However, Pagaduan is trying to match the energy and the attacks of De Tabali. Their defense is up. Both their liberos are doing great and the attacks are becoming more deadly for each of the team. Let's see how will they adjust after the technical timeout. We're on the second match of Alcala versus Claveria. Last game for the women's division today. Then we'll go to the men's division after this match. And nagbabalik po tayo sa live volleyball action. Our current score is 13-12 in favor of Team Claveria.
And on deck to serve, we have jersey number 10, Agamanos of Team Claveria. And a heavy serve there. But nice pick up by the libero. What a placement there by Ganaban on that down the line hit. Alam niyang medyo mabagal bumalik ang server for Team Claveria. Salvador. A nice save there by the libero. Drop shot. Ancheta, the setter, will spike. Salvador with the approach. Open to Ganaban, who uses the hands of Galapia. And a point for Team Alcala. Now they take the lead. 14-13 is the score. Now a chance ball for Team Alcala. Ancheta kay Rendon. 1-2 play. And off the block hit by the middle attacker of Team Claveria, jersey number 17. And Salvador now is on deck to serve. Nice receive by Pagaduan. 1-2 play. It's no good for Ancheta. Pagaduan will give a free ball for Team Claveria. De Tabali on the cross-court kill, targeting the libero. Pero hindi nakaposisyon ng maayos ang libero for that hit. And a point for Team Claveria. And now they take the lead back. 15-14 is our score. Ganaban with that powerful push. A one-hand save there by Pagaduan. Pero hindi na nahabol ni Ganaban for that second ball. And a point for Team Claveria. Chance ball now for Team Alcala. Ganaban asking for it. Pushes at zone 1. Galapia. Ancheta back set to Orata. Nice chase there by. And a point for Team Claveria. Maganda yung ginawa doon ng team captain kung paano niya ibigay yung free ball na iyon. And Team Claveria struggled on that defense sa drop ball ni Ganaban. And our score now is 15-17. Claveria is still up by 2. Nice dig there by Pagaduan. Ball over. Set to Ganaban. Nice pick up by Salvador. Rendon on that receive. Back set to Orata. And a point for Team Alcala. Medyo na late yung blockers ng Team Claveria on that back set hit by Orata.
Smart play there coming from Team Alcala, knowing na mahuhuli yung pagbalik ng mga blockers. Team captain of Claveria is really a threat when she's in front of the line. Let's see how will Team Alcala will adjust from this gameplay.
Nice placement there by Ganaban, and now she is on the service line with that heavy serve, and that ball sails out for Ganaban. Bumalik sa dalawa ang kalamangan ng Team Claveria. 19-17 is our score. Pagaduan that cut shot. Binalik sa team Alcala and bumalik din sa team Claveria. Net touch violation is committed by Detabali, the team captain of Claveria. And ayan, isa na lamang pong kalamangan and bumalik sa dalawa with that service error by Orata.
Sunod-sunod yung service error ng Alcala, and if they really want to win this set, they need to avoid those service errors. Great intention there coming from Claveria, pero medyo nagkulang ng push. Bringing Sonido to the service line. 20 serving 19. Or 19 serving 20. Over received there by the libero. And the net touch violation coming from Pagaduan. Another underhand serve coming from Claveria.
Agamanos. Nice pick up by the libero. Now Agamanos again to push that ball. Ancheta to Pagaduan. And a nice top spin there by Pagaduan, targeting zone 6 of team Claveria. And now she is on the service line. Jersey number 13, Pagaduan. Nice serve there. Set to Salvador. Easily picked up by the libero.
Two-point lead for Team Claveria.
Ganaban with that down the line hit. No one is there for the defense for Team Claveria. Isa na lang po ang hinahabol ng Team Alcala. 21-22 is our score. Galapia. And now Ganaban again uses the hands of Galapia. Blockers out. And now we are tied. Team Claveria calls for a timeout.
This is an exciting set for the match between Alcala and Claveria. We're na tied at 22. And Ganaban gave 2 points for Alcala para mahabol yung kalamangan kanina ng Team Claveria. The team captain of Claveria remains to be lethal for Alcala whenever she's in front of the net. Pero ngayong nasa likod siya, let's see how will Alcala will capitalize on that situation. We're on the second set of the match between Alcala and Claveria. Alcala winning the first set of this match. Tingnan natin kung papersahin tayo or papersahin sila ng Team Claveria to go on a third match. And we're back to our live volleyball action.
And to serve now, after that timeout, would be Ancheta, the setter of Team Alcala. Also a heavy server for Team Alcala. Galapia on that top spin, easily dug up and read by the libero. Ganaban targeting zone 6 on that powerful push. Seeing the hole for Team Claveria. And now they are up by 1. 23-22 is the score. A crucial error for Detabali. And now Team Alcala is on their match point. And with that, Team Alcala won this match against Team Claveria on that unforced error coming from Galapia.
3 straight points coming from Ganaban. Hinabol niya yung kalamangan kanina ng Team Claveria. And with the errors committed, 2 straight errors committed by Team Claveria that cost them this set, also this match. Straight 2 sets for Team Alcala, giving them the win for this match. Attorney Tin Antonio is with us. Nandito po kasama natin siya sa Teresita I. Antonio Gymnasium. Up next po are the matches for the men's division. The first one is the match between Solana and Pamplona.